Wow. What? Is this an ice cream truck? Someone must have left this at the park. Maybe. I can steal this and sell ice cream. I guess I can now sell ice cream. Welcome to the ice cream truck. How may I help you?
We would like 2 strawberry ice cream cones, please.
Okay, that will be $2, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Now let me go. Get your strawberry ice cream cones. Here are your strawberry ice cream cones. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Welcome to the ice cream truck. How may I help you?
Me and my brothers would like to have 3 chocolate ice cream cones, please.
Okay, that will be $3, please.
Here's a $5 bill.
Thank you. And here's your change.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now let me go. Get your chocolate ice cream cones. Here are your chocolate ice cream cones. Have a nice day.
You
You too.
So fellas, where would you like to have our ice cream cones?
Why don't we have them at the picnic table in the shade?
I agree with Butch, but I could have said it better myself.
Good a deal, boys. Let's have our ice cream cones at the picnic table in the shade.
Welcome to the ice cream truck. How may I help you?
I would like to have 1 vanilla ice cream cone, please.
Okay, that will be $1, please.
Here it is.
Thanks. Let me go. Get your vanilla ice cream cone. Here's your vanilla ice cream cone. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You have a nice day, too.
Welcome to the ice cream truck. How may I help you?
I am not here for any ice cream cones. I need to tell you something. Did you steal this ice cream truck? Because I saw you stealing someone's ice cream truck.
Yes. I was stealing someone's ice cream truck.
Oh my gosh. Classic Lincoln Loud. I cannot believe you were stealing someone's ice cream truck. That's it. I am calling your parents.
No 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 no. Please don't call my parents. I am sorry.
I don't care. I am calling your parents and they will ground you. Hello. Lynn and Rita Loud, your son was stealing an ice cream truck at the park. Can you please come to the park and ground him?
He did what? Oh 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 Thanks for telling us. He is so busted when we get to the park.
Okay, thanks. Bye. Your parents are on their way to ground you right now.
Oh 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 oh. GRRRR. Roar. Classic Lincoln Loud. We cannot believe you were stealing an ice cream truck at the park. You know you are not allowed to steal someone's ice cream truck.
Your father is right. Classic Lincoln Loud. You are not allowed to steal someone's ice cream truck that someone owns it.
But I am sorry. Mom and Dad, can't you just buy our own ice cream truck?
No. We are not going to buy our own ice cream truck.
I guess this means I am grounded, right?
That's right. Classic Lincoln Loud. You are grounded for 182 weeks.
And when we get home, you will go to your room. Let's go home right now.
Hey, knock it off! Put me down! You haven't seen the last of me!
Which did get out.
Now go to your room right now, because you are grounded for 182 weeks.
Wow.